I'm here to look for some careers and opportunities to start with. As I'm growing older, I'm interested in getting a well-paid job and somewhere where I'm comfortable with and doing good.
What we're doing today is trying to connect some of our Jeffco and Lakewood residents with some training, access to employment, some on-ramps so that they can start a thriving career. This workshop is actually really geared for construction, advanced manufacturing, high-tech and skilled trades. And the reason we really wanted to focus on that is because they've been the loudest voices at the table, really indicating that they're having problems getting that next generation of talent and skills.
Coors Tech just got a grant from the state to build a training center to help develop manufacturing skills, and we're able to offer these training courses to folks from the community. So what we're really hoping to do today is talk with some job seekers who are wanting to build up their skills for a manufacturing job.
I haven't had to look for a job in more than 10 years, and coming back into this type of job market where most of your contacts are an online application and there's no finding the back door in to get a handshake out of somebody is exceedingly difficult. So having employers right in front of your face that you can talk to and make a connection I think it's hugely advantageous.
And for us as employers, we get the chance to have everybody in one place instead of trying to just, look through some of the resumes that are out there on those job search application portals. And it's always better when you can make a face-to-face connection and help figure out if what you're offering might be a good fit for that person.
It's always good when you walk down and you see a line of people lining up. That's good and bad, right? Because it shows that there's a need and that we're meeting the need, but I think we're doing the right thing to kind of get them connected.